What's up guys, I'm Joe from Sawicki Speed. Today we're going to install a full-length welded system on our M8 bagger. First things first, we're going to put in our bracket. Go ahead and torque this to 20 to 25 foot-pounds. Next, we'll go ahead and we'll get our primaries put together. We'll put our flange on with the recessed area pointing up, and the clip next. We'll make sure that our clip is set inside of the groove. Then we'll install our O2 sensors. Next, we'll go ahead and install our gaskets. These are tapered and the flat side goes into the head. Make sure they're seated all the way down. And we'll continue on installing our primaries. Kind of pre-route where your oxygen sensor wire is going to go. Next we'll take our dog bone, slide in the kit, we'll take our hardware and just snug it up for now. So we'll start pre-routing our O2 sensor this direction. And then we'll go ahead and just plug them in, have them done. All right, next we want to go ahead and install our plate. It goes back here. And install our muffler. All right, we get it all the way seated. Use the supplied hardware to lightly just secure this for the moment. Okay, next we'll go ahead and install our springs. Now we'll go ahead and tighten up our flange bolts to about hand tight or 5 foot-pounds. Next we'll go ahead and we'll tighten up our bracket here for the primary. Next we're going to move back here to the back of the muffler and tighten up these bolts. Alright, next we're going to tighten our flanges. We're going to start from the top on each side and come down to 10 foot-pounds. All right, after everything's tight, it's time to just put it all back together, your covers and your bags. Covers, simple 3-pin push. You want to look at these pieces here. This is part of our kit. It's just a spacer. Long bolt goes in the front. Just a regular spacer. Last step, have a brake clean and just wipe the pipe down. And that is the install of the Intimidator full-length bagger.